Good morning. We are from Group 2 and we're going to present our project, which is auto water sprinkler by using the rain pump. First, I'm going to introduce my group member detail. First is me, Cheng Minjie, and the second one is Muhammad Ishad bin Ahmad Hazri. The third one is Sanjay Ana Lelaki Rengesami. And the fourth one is Drama Hani Hikmah. And the last one is Riwa Hakim bin Rohizan. This is our overview. First, we got part 1, we got introduction. Part 2, theory. Part 3, methodology. Part 4, concept of product and factors. Part 5, calculation and formula. Part 6, function of the product. And also the video function of product. And the last one is the conclusion.
Hello, my name is Sanjay. I'm from 2BNC. I'm taking fluid mechanic. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the introduction about my project. The title is water sprinkler. Okay, and water sprinkler also known as automatic water sprinkler. There is a system in the water sprinkler. You also need to use the pump push up the water flow to the beach in uphill or hill slope. Next, water sprinkler system also controlled by the sensor such as temperature sensor to optimize the water using. For example, when it's a rainy season, the sensor will prevent the system to avoid overwatering and destroy the agriculture.
Good morning, my name is Ramadan Hikmah and today I'm going to present the theory of fluid system. Fluid power is the technologies that use the fluid that transmit the power from one location to another location. After that, the fluid power is also use of fluid under pressure to generate, control and transmit the power. Next, I'm going to present type of fluid system. First, hydraulic system. The fluid pressure of the hydraulic cylinder related to the Pascal's law, and the water will flow out at the bottom and filled into the tube. Second is pneumatic system. Pneumatic has the same concept with the hydraulic system, but the pneumatic system is transmitting the power by using the gas, which is the compressed air such as nitrogen, which is insert gas.
My name is Ridwan Hakim bin Rohizan and I'm from Group 2, and I will explain about our methodology for our project. So first of all, as you can see in our slide, they have a picture about our methodology from start to the end, and this contains project concept and drawing of product. Discussion about the WAM pump concept can be applied in auto water sprinkler factor that phase of the RAM pump of product and function of RAM pump, and report writing and the end. So the research methodology, first product concept and drawing. The drawing of the product will be computed by the software, which is CAD drawing software. The concept of the product will be developed by the video as the reference. Second, discuss concept. The RAM pump concept will be discussed by the group member to apply on the auto water sprinkler and discuss whether this concept of fluid power can be applied in the product of auto water sprinkler. The third factor and function to determine the factor that need to be faced during build the product and consider all the head loss will be occur during active the auto water sprinkler by using the formula, the explanation of function for the RAM pump. For the next slides, we include the picture of the process of the RAM pump, which is from the water to the pipe A to the RAM pump, and then to the stop at the part B, flow back at the pipe A, valve C open, pipe E, and flow to the head of the water sprinkler 2. Thank you.
Now I'm going to proceed my part, which is concept of product. In this product, we are going to use the rain pump to design the auto water sprinkler and combine the concept of fluid power. The hydraulic rain pump is a natural water pump that powered by the water with a height differences and the pipe flow. In this product, we are going to design that the waste valve to be a rotate sprinkler then without the external source of power. The factor that our project will be faced is the pressure and the flow rate that produced between the water resource and the rain pump. The second one is the pipe length that need to be used from the water resources to the rain pump. The third one is the pipe length that need to be used from the water resources to the sprinkler. And the last one is the amount of water that require. In this product, the change of our product is the original rain pump will waste a lot of water that produced in the first valve, but our rain pump has changed the first valve to the auto water sprinkler. Hence, the rain pump can build the momentum and activate the water sprinkler at the same time. This is the calculation and formula in our project. First, we are going to calculate the flow rate, which using Q equals to ALN over 60. And using the flow rate to find the velocity, then we are going to calculate the Reynolds number. After that is the friction factor. Then we are using the friction factor to calculate the major head loss and the minor head loss in the process, in the product. Now we can see the part of function of rain pump. I will explain about how the rain pump will be functioned in the product. Sequence 1. Water flow from the tap will be delivered through the pipe A and enter the rain pump, and a part of water will exist in the part B through the waste in basically, but in this product, the wastewater part will change to the water sprinkler and the water will be separate. So the valve C will remain closed due to not enough the pressure to open the valve C. So there is no pressure occur in the part D. The water flow will produce the velocity and pressure by water axis at the part B. Now we are going to proceed to the sequence 2. The water will stop flowing to part B and the water will travel back to the pipe to cause the valve be closed. And the valve C will open due to the high pressure form, and the air in the part D will expand to push the water out to the pipe E and allow the water flow out to another water sprinkler at a high elevation. This cycle will be repeated again to form the pressure to the pump to pump the water flow to another water sprinkler at a high elevation. In the left-hand side part, we can see about the diagram to more clear. In the left-hand side diagram is the real product of the rain pump, and the right-hand side is the video of the rain pump work and how the water flow into the rain pump and the water delivery to the water sprinkler.
For the conclusion, let me explain the advantage first. The advantage of auto water sprinkler in agricultural irrigation is auto sprinkler deliver the water directly to crop and minimizing water wastage through evaporation and runoff. It helps to reduce the water consumption. After that, another advantage of auto water sprinkler in agriculture is it can be flexibility and customization. This is because the auto water sprinkler can be tailored to the crop at specific field area. The system also can adjust the water flow rate and set up the schedule for watering the crop. Next, for the comparison, the difference of auto water sprinkler product compared with other products is we applied the concept of free energy in our product. In our auto water sprinkler product, it can be processed without electrical. This is because the ramp pump can be activated without electricity and it undergoes fluid power and free energy concept. Hence, the ramp pump can pump the water to the uphill and flow to another head of water sprinkler without electricity. On the other hand, the other product needs to activate the pump to speed up the water flow to the uphill with electricity. That's all. Thank you.